them garden.
Who's this one?
How would it again? Now I'm here right, it's a Boston Manti.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Please write your answers down.
What's the answer? What's going on?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video.
People, I get drowned now because I know what about my giant.
Oh God, guys, this anyway. So, Deezer, breathe. Okay, so today is Heroes Day in Jamaica. So happy Heroes Day, I guess.
Yeah.
People say that, happy Heroes Day.
You got the hero them, got them do them work, innit?
Yes. So it's Heroes Day in Jamaica. So it's a public holiday today. So a lot of people are at home, chilling with their families, etc., etc. So we're really not doing anything for Heroes. We're not doing anything. We're not going anywhere. We're just at home. Outlaw's gonna look back some nice food a little more. What are you looking back today?
Some today, yeah, man. I do some ackee and saltfish now, people. And some. I got fry some roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, I fry some roast breadfruit with some ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, to show forward to that.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to breadfruit. Since coming back to Jamaica actually.
Yeah, she get familiar with breadfruit now.
You know, say it's really funny, guys. I never used to like breadfruit before. I never used to like it, and in the few years I've been here, I've really taken onto it, and I really like it now. So.
Yeah, sure.
Like a lot of things, isn't it?
Yeah, man. She'll take on to the thing in one.
There's a lot of things that I like now that I didn't used to like before.
Yeah.
But,
welcome to Jamaica.
Yes, welcome to Jamrock. But yes, guys, so it is Heroes Day today. We thought, we'll have a little bit of fun. We'll do one of our quizzes. How Jamaican are you? I think this is How Jamaican Are You Part 2. Because we did a Part 1. I'll try and link that in the description. Go and watch that one. That was funny. Outlaw's a very sore loser. And I win most of the quizzes that we do. So, anyway, yeah. But, yes. So, we're going to do a quiz. How Jamaican are you? But this one is going to be dedicated to Heroes Day, right? Because, like I said, it's Heroes Day today. So, half of the questions will be, will be to do with the national heroes of Jamaica. And then the other half will be questions just to do with Jamaica, yeah? So, guys, you see him, he's acting like he doesn't know what we're doing. I told him what we're doing. He come and see pen and paper because he has to write down his answers, and he's acting all confused like he doesn't know. I'm drawing him out to do something he doesn't know. You know this, didn't you?
I'm going with the flow, peeps.
That's good. I'm glad that you go with the flow. So, excuse me, people. I've got my questions here.
Wait, I say. See, all these things are going on.
So, what are you trying to insinuate? What are you trying to insinuate? I don't know the answer. I haven't checked the answer.
I'm just saying I don't know anything about what's going on.
Alright.
Just go ahead.
Okay, we're ready. So, you're going to write your answers down, so get your pen and your paper. Get your pen and your paper.
This is right there. Got it.
Okay, alright, so question 1 is, and you're writing your answer down. Don't say your answer out. Okay, question 1. How many heroes are there? Write it down. Get your pen and your paper, write it. People. Question 1. How many? Put 1. The number 1. So how many heroes are there? Just write down the answer, please. Guys, play along as well. We're going to do 10 questions. So question 1. How many heroes are there? How many national heroes are there in Jamaica? Just write the answer down. Okay, you good? Alright then. Okay, so let's do question 2. So question 2 is, name the heroes. Name the heroes. So remember, question 1 is, how many heroes are there? So can you name the heroes? Guys, I know that I don't know all of them. I know some of them, but I know I don't know all of them. Do you know all of them? Don't say how many there are, but do you know all of them?
Maybe not.
Okay, but write down the ones you know. So let's go.
Say.
Yeah, just write them down. Don't say them out.
Okay, I'm gonna do something, Let me know again.
Just don't say it.
Okay.
That's not how. That's down the line. He will remember. That's not how it works.
Yeah.
If you don't remember them now, then that's it. Yeah.
I feel them.
All right then. Okay, so that was question number 2, right? So question number 3, guys, is who? And this is multiple choice, so it make it a bit easier. Who was the first national hero? So was it Nanny of the Maroons, Alexander Bustamante, Marcus Garvey, or Sam Sharp? Now that might help you if you haven't got all of the national heroes down. Maybe you've heard one that you haven't written down.
Yeah.
Who was the first national hero? Nanny of the Maroons, Alexander Bustamante, Marcus Garvey, or Sam Sharp? Write your answer down, please.
Who was the first?
Yeah, national hero. Multiple choice. Nanny of the Maroons, Alexander Bustamante, Marcus Garvey, or Sam Sharp? Who was the first national hero? Come on, babe. Have you not thought about it yet?
Who was the first?
People are hearing this. How many times has he said this? No, who was the last, babe? Who was the last?
Go on.
Okay, alright. So, number... You're not looking at my paper, are you?
No, that's the 4.
Oh. Right, number 4.
Think you're nice.
Number 4. Which national hero led the Christmas Rebellion? Which national hero? Which national hero led the Christmas Rebellion? So, Nanny of the Maroons, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, George William Gordon. Which national hero? What do you mean? You're gonna add that extra name to
Yeah, where
Look here.
Where people?
I'm not looking at your
Where
paper.
the copy?
So because it's multiple choice, he's heard a name that he didn't think of. So he's right. I'm gonna write it on my paper too.
Where not?
We can both do it.
So we have the
But you're not answering the question.
What question?
The question I just answered. You just had a national hero that's not on your original answer for number 2.
What are you talking about?
Anyway. So let's say the question again. Number 4. Which national hero led the Christmas Rebellion? Nanny of the Maroons, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, or George William Gordon? Which one led the Christmas Rebellion?
Fine. No. We're not in lead. Alright.
You got it?
Because I want a piece of something.
Alright then.
Yeah, no, I know.
Okay, so what question was that for? So question 5 is, which national hero led the Morant Bay Rebellion? So that was a Christmas rebellion. Number 4 was a Christmas rebellion. But question 5, which national hero led the Morant Bay Rebellion? Nanny of the Maroons, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, or George William Gordon? You got your answer?
Let me go.
How are you getting on, guys? Alright, so that what question was that? Number 5. So number 6 is how many times, right, so this is not about the national heroes. How many times did the late Queen Elizabeth II visit Jamaica? So how many times did the late Queen Elizabeth II visit Jamaica? Question 6.
Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, Queen Elizabeth II. How many times did she visit Jamaica? Yeah? Good. Alright. Question 7, people. Sligoville was the first free village established in Jamaica. Sligoville was the first free village established in Jamaica. True or false?
Sligoville?
Yeah, it was the first free village established in Jamaica. I guess that would be after the abolition of slavery and stuff like that.
I never go so deep, people. I never go so deep, I just put it up on shallow, make me to see and understand.
So then you make a calculated guess, or make a guess.
You understand?
Just write it, true or false. Number 7.
Have it, man.
Write it down then.
Have it.
He hasn't written down nothing yet, all now. Number 7, write it down.
You're copying my thing, man.
I'm not copying.
I'm not even copy. You see everything on my thing.
I'm not even looking at your paper because your answers could be wrong. Yeah, you ready? Number 8. All right. So number 8. Who is on the Jamaican $1,000 bill? Who is on the Jamaican $1,000 bill? Is it Nanny, Michael Manley, Sam Sharp, or Marcus Garvey?
Nanny?
Michael Manley, $1,000 bill. Sam Sharp or Marcus Garvey? Okay, I think. Where's this one? Well, take a guess, babe. Nanny, Michael Manley, Sam Sharp, or Marcus Garvey? Who is on the Jamaican $1,000 bill? Nanny, Marcus Garvey, Sam Sharp. So I said that again. Nanny, Michael Manley, Sam Sharp, or Marcus Garvey? Okay, so that question was question 8. Who is on the Jamaican $1,000 bill? You put your answer down? All right, so that was question 8. So 2 more questions. Question 9. In what year did the English capture Jamaica from the Spanish? So you know that the Spanish had Jamaica first. What year did the English capture Jamaica from the Spanish? Multiple choice. So was it 14... Sorry guys, couldn't see this. 1499, 1565, 1645, or 1655? 1499, 1565, 1645, or 1655? What year did the English capture Jamaica from the Spanish?
What you have said?
Me too, because I'm not really sure. Okay, alright guys, the last question and then we'll come up with the answers. Question number 10. Which of these were not brought to Jamaica by the Spanish? Cassava, sugarcane, or oranges? Which one of these were not brought to Jamaica? Not brought to Jamaica by the Spanish. Was it cassava, sugarcane, or oranges? Which one did they not bring to Jamaica? Cassava, sugarcane, or oranges? Yeah, you good? Alright guys, that's the 10 questions. I hope you're playing along. We're going to take 2 minutes. We're going to check the answers and then we're going to come right back. People, so we've checked the answers. Guys, Outlaw is such a cheater. I had to take away his paper and his pen because as I'm checking the answers, he wants to write them down.
Nobody left to take it away.
Yeah, but you were trying to. I saw you trying to cheat.
Never do that. I will
he was
never
trying
do that.
to cheat, so
I will never do
I had
that.
to confiscate his paper and his pen. But you can have the pen now,
babes.
and you can have your paper.
I will never do that.
Mark your answers. Check off your answers. So the answers, guys. So the first question was, how many heroes are there? The answer is. What's the answer? You know this.
Yeah.
7.
Yeah,
so
but
7 national heroes in Jamaica.
I really 60 you know, and 1 heroine, you know. 6 man and 1 female. The female is a heroine. But you know what I'm saying 7 heroes, but that's all the thing.
Okay, so 7. So
good.
if you've got that,
Good
that's good. 7. So mark off your thing.
You're good, man.
This man doesn't do anything by the book. He doesn't do anything properly. Anyway, question 2. Name the heroes. So name the heroes. How many did you get?
Paul Bogle, Bustamante, Sam Sharp, Marcus Garvey. I would it again. William Garden.
That was a teething one, yeah.
My next one again now.
That's 4.
Yeah, 4 man.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna write this again.
Can't you tell you're writing?
Yeah, man.
Oh, come on, babes.
Right now.
So you got 4?
4?
Yes. You write the
Paul
people.
Bogle, Buster, Sam Sharp,
Yeah.
Marcus Garvey, Nanny.
Nanny's not your nanny, oh yeah.
Yeah.
William Gordon.
William Garden.
Who's this one?
How would it again? Now I'm gonna write this. Bustamante. Yeah, Buster. Alright, I think I named that.
So I'm confused. How many? 1, Paul Bogle, Bustamante, Sam Sharp, Marcus Garvey. Who's this? Nanny.
And Garden.
Gordon, 6. So so Outlaw got 6, right? Mine were, so you're missing 1. Mine were Paul Bogle, Alexander Bustamante, Nanny of the Maroons, Marcus Garvey, Sam Sharp, George William Gordon. So I got 6 as well.
No, no, Sam Sharp too, man.
Where?
Oh, okay, that's 6, yeah. Cool.
You see?
What is it now?
So I got 6, Outlaw got 6. Right, the correct answers are Alexander Bustamante. These are the answers. Alexander Bustamante, Marcus Garvey, George William Gordon, Norman Manley, Nanny of the Maroons, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle.
You know, so me have all of them.
So I didn't have...
Nah, man, CJ, no.
Nah, sorry. No. Guys, should we give him that he couldn't make it? No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have them. I said, madam.
You never said that.
I couldn't make out while I go back to my see there.
What does that say? That
See
says
there, nah,
Manley.
man. Nah, man.
So you
Nice.
no, I can't give you that because you couldn't make up your own writing.
Me nice, man. Because we never write but make up down something flat to put it down and we can make it up.
Guys, should I give him that one or not?
Be nice, man, and do that.
But you didn't say it.
But I just say it. I said I have that one. When you call it him, I say yes, it is there. See there now, man.
3, 4, 5, 6. You got 8.
No, man.
1,
You don't write
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 8.
No, oh, I don't care. Almost what I have 8. I took the right one 2 times. Different one that. See the.
Oh, yeah.
What's that? I this not for English.
Alright, I'm gonna give you that one.
That's something to me,
Take it. Give yourself because I have to tally them up.
Thank you. People, you know, nah, man,
No, I gave it to you though. You shouldn't even get
5 my won't be mad.
it. You shouldn't even get it, but anyway.
If you're not 5 feet, a problem, man.
Anyways, you shouldn't get it because you should have said it before.
Nice, man.
Alright, number 3. Who was the first national hero? And it was multiple choice. Was it Nanny of the Maroons, Alexander Bustamante? Oh.
When you choose money, she name the car?
Yeah. Yeah, so who was the first national hero? Nanny of the Maroons, Alexander Bustamante, Marcus Garvey, or Sam Sharp? Who was the first one, people? What did you say?
Buster.
You said Buster. I said Bustamante as well, but it's actually Marcus Garvey.
Oh my gosh.
Marcus Garvey was the first one.
Boss.
So we both got that one wrong.
Mm.
So yeah, it was actually
Marcus
Marcus
the
Garvey.
boss, you know.
Yeah.
Mm.
Alright. So was it 2-1 right now?
Boss.
2-1, I need to catch up. Alright, so that was number 3, right? So number 4. Which national hero led the Christmas Rebellion? Nanny of the Maroons, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, or George William Gordon? I put Sam Sharp for the Christmas Rebellion. Who did you put?
Christmas, I mean, they put...
Number 4.
I think I they put me the same.
What do you mean you think? Look at your paper.
Yeah, man, listen, man.
But you got all these crossings out.
Yeah, but the nanny me
But
the
you was
say.
writing down the answer now, you know.
No, but the nanny me the say. If a nanny, but she me the say, but I don't know.
You should. That's why I can't do these
See
things
there?
because you don't do them properly.
See, you see that?
That's not what it said.
We still don't know it's going on.
This. What does this say?
Because he mark out long time, baby.
So why did you mark it out?
Because it's not good.
That's not how it works.
That's for the rest. I mean,
Write down your answer, and then when we can look back, guys. If you see his paper, he's written the answer down and he's crossed it out long time. Now he's just making it up as he goes along.
No.
You are. I can't play. I'm not doing. This is the last one I'm doing with him because he's doing normal. Anyway, the answer is Sam Sharp, and I got it right. Yes.
So, you got it right, and I warned me we're wrong.
That's not the point. But you what is this?
Be nice on that, man.
You put Paul Bogle. You put
No.
and then you crossed it out.
Yeah, because they were right.
Anyway, number 5 people. Which national hero led the Morant Bay Rebellion? So Nanny, Sam Sharp, Paul Bogle, or George William Gordon?
Bogle.
Yes, because he's from St Thomas, isn't he? So that was.
Boss, that's
yeah.
it. I'm saying that by $2. I'm picking it.
All right, so yes, guys, Paul Bogle. So number 6, how many times did the late Queen Elizabeth II visit Jamaica? I put 3 times. I'm sure I heard it was 3 times. What did you put?
1.
Once?
Yeah.
You think the Queen only visited Jamaica once in all of her
I
reign?
think so. One at a time when we come to Jamaica and currently go where they have to use pure lamp in the white, God no. Pure lamp, with lampshade mark, home seat woman. Remember them lampshade there? Pure them lamp them they use one at a time.
Anyway, it was actually 6 times.
Mm.
Yeah, so I got that
So
wrong.
did it.
I got that wrong.
So give me that friend and tell them.
Alright, number 7.
Give me that friend, people.
Sligoville was the first free village established in Jamaica. True or false? What do you say?
Mr. Falls.
I said true, and it's true. So big up everybody from Sligoville. That's St. Catherine, right?
Yeah, man.
Big up everybody from Sligoville. That was the first
Natalie, please.
first free village established in Jamaica. So yeah, true. All right, number 8 is who is on the Jamaican $1,000 bill? Is it Nanny? Let me see what you put. What did you put?
Manly.
Nanny, Manly, Sam Sharp, or Marcus Garvey?
Manly.
The answer is Michael Manley.
Boss, man.
Where's your number 8? Where's number 8?
Yeah.
Where's number 9 and number 10?
What was it?
Okay, alright. Just checking, people, I'm just checking.
Yeah, man, just sometimes if you go and
Okay, so number 9 was in what year did the English capture Jamaica from the Spanish? Was it 1499, 1565, 1645, or 1655? I put 1655.
Let
me see. Yeah, the answer is 1655. Okay, and the last one was which of these were not brought to Jamaica by the Spanish? Is it cassava, sugarcane, or oranges? What did you put?
Orange.
I put orange as well, but it's not. It's actually cassava.
They
didn't bring it. So the Spanish didn't bring cassava to.
African bring cassava coming in.
The Spanish didn't bring cassava. They brought the sugarcane and oranges. So guys, how well did you do? Comment down below. How many did you get right? Actually, let's tally them up. How much did you get right? Who's the winner?
A few. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.
How many?
2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5. You get. 1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5.
So Outlaw got 5 out of 10. I got 6 out of 10.
True.
Yes, 6 out of 10. See it there. You want to count? Look.
Exactly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
See, yeah, man, we come to perfection. We're going to end up on the right side. Yeah, man, book out everything like right again.
So I am the winner. I'm the winner, babes.
Not bad, you're not Jamaican, man.
So can you say congratulations?
Speak up, man.
Okay, so officially I am more Jamaican again. I've proven it already, but I am more Jamaican than Outlaw because I got more answers right.
Sure, she proved it in many ways, people.
So that's that.
She come to Jamaica and government give her money. I mean, not get none.
Oh gosh, don't start.
She
Don't start. Anyway.
She good like that. Very lucky like that with Jamaica government.
Anyway, people, hope you enjoyed this one. Like I said again, comment down below. Let us know how many you got out of 10. How Jamaican are you? Do we need to revoke your Jamaican card? Do we need to take away your Jamaican card?
I want to talk the truth, you know. I take a shock around the women, you know. Yes, the truth. What I want to say and what I never say. Just leave it alone.
Yeah.
Differentiate everything.
So be honest then.
Be honest with me, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, we hope you have enjoyed this video on this Heroes Day weekend, and stick around for the next video. It's coming soon. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please watch 30 seconds of the ads. That helps us.
Yes, I can piece of something there.
Yes, to continue to bring you content. And until the next time, that was there.
Another prayers.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.